Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy new crypto coins in MetaMask. First, ensure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and your wallet is set up. Next, you'll need to fund your wallet with a base cryptocurrency like Ethereum or BNB, depending on the network you plan to use. Always be aware that new crypto coins can be highly volatile, so proceed with caution and only invest what you can afford to lose. To find new coins, explore platforms such as CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, looking for projects with solid fundamentals. If the coin operates on a network not yet configured in your MetaMask, you'll need to add that custom network. This usually involves inputting specific network details like the RPC URL and chain ID. Once you've identified your coin, copy its unique contract address, which is crucial for the next step. Now, connect your MetaMask wallet to a decentralized exchange, or DEX, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, depending on your network. Paste the new coin's contract address into the swap interface to select it. Then, specify the amount of your existing crypto you wish to exchange. After confirming the transaction, remember to import the new token into your MetaMask wallet using its contract address so you can see your balance. Security is paramount when dealing with new crypto. Always double-check contract addresses before any transaction to avoid scams. Never, under any circumstances, share your seed phrase or private keys. These are the keys to your funds. Keep your software updated and be wary of phishing attempts. For more great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below. Stay safe and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.